Here's the deal, boys. Going to try to catch some smallmouth, maybe some trout. Hopefully I get lucky. Weather's getting warmer. It's probably about 65 today. It's pretty nice, so maybe I'll get lucky. Yank it up until we continue. I'm gonna get all the way down the bottom part. We'll share them, dude. Hopefully we get them. Yeah. Water's clear, clear, clear. They should shank on a Rapala though.
There's something. Oh yeah. Yep. Small jaw. You freaking hit it in the middle of the creek, dude. Yep, right in the middle. Not a big one. Not bad though. He freaking chewed on it. Freaking ate it. He wanted to chew on it. Nice little small jaw. Yes, sir. There you go, little buddy. Get back in there. Go freaking shake it off. Dude, that's smallmouth. He went right onto that rock.
And he's just laying there. He's like, that freaking hurt. That's funny as shit, dude. He ain't even moving. He just ran out there and said, I'm gonna sit here for a while.
There's one. Good one, dude. I think it's a trout. Nice freaking trout. Yes, sir. Freaking chanked on it. Chewed on it. Chewed on it, didn't you, little buddy? Well, I'll try to get it out of you. If you stop freaking shanking so freaking bad, I'll be able to get it out of you. There you go. You'll be alright. Shake it off. Stupid thing. Freaking shank on that thing, dude.
That rigging guy got freaking waylaid, dude. That thing got waylaid. Nice big freaking small jaw. Freaking chewed on it. Yes, small jaw. You chewed on it, buddy. Freaking up in the riffle chewing. Up in the riffle chewing. Yes, a little fat meatball. Freaking hammered that thing, dude. Crushed it.
Here's something. Might be a trout. Another smallmouth. Freaking hammering this thing. Yes, sir. Freaking chewing on that thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And my freaking thing came apart, but yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Another small jaw. Freaking chewing on this thing. They like this color, dude. They like this freaking orange. They think it's a crawdad with a freaking blade on it. Crawdad with a blade, yes, a little scrap iron. Freaking chewing on this thing, dude. They are chewing on this thing.
Oh, they got freaking shanked upon. Another smallie. Nice smallie. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Freaking shanked on it. Yes, sir. Old small jaw. The little ones are chewing like the Mad Hatters. You are chewing. You are chewing like Mad Hatters. That freaking hook don't play games, dude. That freaking gammy's freaking wicked, dude. There you go, little small jaw. Get back with it. That thing got chewed upon.
There's one. No. It's a largemouth. Little largie. Yes, largie. Haha. Yes, sir. You are far from home, little buddy. Yes, sir. Gulp mini, dude. Texas rig, gulp mini. 3-inch, and my hook's way too fucking big. But, dude, dead drift in it. You freaking chewed on it. A little bit rough to throw with the bait caster though. Well, this BFS is amazing, dude.
Oh, that one freaking tried to chew on it. Yeah, a little freaking Senko looking thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try.
Yeah, that's
They ought to chew on that.
my go-to on this creek.
The freaking hair jig, huh? They'll chew on that.
They definitely will. Especially
Or I'll hang it, one or the other. Yeah, them are nice. Check his ass. You got freaking victimized, brother. Yes, sir. That's a little bit of chunker. Yes, sir. On the hair jig. On the freaking hair jig. Yes. Freaking shanked it. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Old red eye. Get going, red eye. It is, it's like every cast, dude. Like every cast. Oh yeah, freaking Chankarella, dude. Pull and drag, dude. Freaking big old freaking small jaw or big trout. Something freaking chewed on it. Oh yes. Oh yes. That's a freaking good one. Look at you. Look at you. Look how pretty you are. You are a beauty. You freaking chanked on it. You chanked on it, brother. Yes, sir. Nice old freaking fatty Chad. Freaking dude, he freaking hammerized it. You freaking chewed on that freaking thing, dude. Wow. That hook is freaking buried. Like super buried. You are like super buried. Like, can't even get the hook out of you because you're fucking buried so bad. Why won't you come out? You're like double freaking snarled hooked. All right, I'll get you. Man, you freaking clobbered it, I can tell you that. You definitely clobberized it. The 6 pound is looking mighty bad. You definitely clobberized it, little buddy. I got you, but you freaking chewed on it like there is no tomorrow. And these hooks are in the road now. There, you'll be fine. You freaking chewed on it. You chewed on it great. Nice fish. Nice fish. Yes, sir. Older that. Get back in there. Freaking quit eating crankbaits. Oh, freaking shanked on it. It's a trout. He freaking hammered it. He's going ape shit. Holy mackerel, dude. That thing was freaking going ape shit. Dude, this thing went freaking psychosomatic on me. This trout went psychosomatic. Sweet little fishing session. Yankalippa out.